But our top story tonight is coming from the Supreme Court, which today shared the key findings of the Pegasus Snoopgate probe. The court-appointed committee found the presence of malware on 5 phones, but says it did not find conclusive proof of a Pegasus spyware infection. The Chief Justice of India said the committee in its report has said that the government, the centre, did not cooperate with its investigation. Remember last year, the Congress and other parties had accused the Modi government of using Pegasus to snoop on them. It was an allegation that eventually led to an entire parliament session, the monsoon session of parliament last year, being blocked. The question now is, will we ever really find out whether the government of India is using Pegasus to snoop on political opponents, journalists and many others? It's our top story tonight.
The Supreme Court makes key findings of the independent committee's report on Pegasus public. The technical committee found malware of 5 to 29 phones submitted for analysis, but it is not conclusive if it was Pegasus. The court on Thursday revealed the report says the government of India did not cooperate with the committee. According to the Supreme Court, the centre repeated the stand taken by it in the court earlier and did not state whether it has purchased Israeli spyware Pegasus or not. The top court said those who had submitted the phones had requested not to release the report. The Supreme Court said it will consider if a redacted version of the report by the technical committee can be released. However, a report submitted by Justice R.V. Ravindran on measures needed to protect citizens' privacy will be made public. These details were revealed in the oral remarks made by the bench comprising Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, Justice Surya Kant and Justice Hema Kohli. The court's comments have sparked a political face-off. While the BJP sees it as a clean chit, the opposition is accusing the Narendra Modi government of hiding the truth about Pegasus.
The high-profile technical committee consisting of eminent people of technology, supervised by an eminent retired judge of the Supreme Court, has not found any Pegasus virus in the 29 mobiles submitted for examination.
Under which act, under which section of that act this weapon was used against the member of parliaments of our country? Under whose instruction, whether Prime Minister or Home Minister or the National Security Advisor, who had given the instruction to purchase this weapon, give a dent to democracy and constitution of our country? We want to know the answers to these questions.
इन्होंने पिछले साल मॉनसून सेशन को होने नहीं दिया था और जो रिपोर्ट आई है तो मालूम हुआ हाली 21% प्रोडक्टिविटी हुई। इतना कहा गया था उनके ऑफिशियल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कि ये देशद्रोह का मामला है, राजद्रोह का मामला है। क्या राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी माफी मांगेगी?
Why government of India is not giving required support? Because they are involved in this Pegasus weapon. Pegasus weapon is a weapon which against the democracy, against the constitution, against the executive, against the judiciary, against the civil society.
The Pegasus Snoopgate scandal erupted in July last year when the news portal claimed that the government of India may have used Pegasus on over 150 people in India. The list of probable targets revealed in the investigation by 17 global news organizations included ministers, opposition leaders, activists and journalists.
The committee has also recommended several steps that can be taken with regard to enhancement of cyber security, enhancement of data privacy, and in fact has said that there needs to be an independent agency to look into these concerns, particularly with the rising issues of cyber security threats across the country and across the world.
With Anisha Mathur in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.